Hi, I'm Doug and I am your cruise ship director on this one. Going to have a lesson on the line dance called Asi. So here's the lesson on Asi. Weight is on the left. We're going to do these walks forward. Choreographer calls them Congo walks. So with the weight on the left, make sure I'm on there. We're going to step forward for 4 on 4. We're going to touch left toe outside wide left. So we're going to go walk, 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 touch. And then back for 4, walk, 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 touch. We repeat those Congo walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight ending on the left. So you've got 2 sets of those in this dance to make the first half of the dance. Third section, going to have step or cross points forward. So you're going to take the right foot, step forward, slightly cross it over if you wish, and then point, step, point, step, point, step, point. Weight ending on the left. So count on that third section is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last section, we can do jazz box quarter turn to the right. So crossing it over and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight lands on the left foot. And the dance with 4 hip bumps. Right, left, left. Weight ending on the left, and you're ready to start again with those Congo walks. All right, that's it. No tags or restarts, easy peasy. It's cruise ship music. Have some fun.